Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete your search history on Safari. Very easy, very simple guys. All you gotta do is you need to go on your settings first, okay? And then you want to scroll down to the actual Safari setting, okay? You would see it over here, it's right over here. You click on Safari, then you scroll down and you will see a blue text, it will appear over here. You want to click clear history and website data, and then you can choose the time frame, last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. You can also close all the tabs that you have currently opened, so this will help you, that will provide and preserve a lot of the energy from the battery. So you simply click history and the history was cleared and the browse tabs were simply closed. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.